Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are explaining how to connect Zeely ads with Facebook Business Manager. So to get started with that, when you run ads through Zeely, you need to link your Facebook Business Manager account so Zeely can publish ads on your behalf. So this is done during the initial setup when you create your first Facebook or Instagram ads in Zeely. So Zeely will prompt you to log in with your Facebook account and request permission to access your Facebook Business Manager, ads account, and Facebook page. So you simply follow the pop-up prompt to grant access. So if you already have a Facebook Business Manager account, you can choose the right business ads account and page directly from the Zeely interface. So if you don't have a Facebook Business Manager yet, Zeely may guide you to create one or link to your existing personal account, but it's better to have a business manager set up beforehand for proper tracking and management. Once connected, Zeely will handle the technical and ads placement through your business manager, but all campaign creation, content, and optimization happen in Zeely. You won't need to adjust settings manually in Facebook Ads Manager. Zeely sync everything for you. In short, to connect Zeely with Facebook Business Manager, it's simple. Follow the Zeely guided Facebook login prompt, select the correct business asset, and grant permission. So after that, Zeely takes care of syncing and publishing your ads through Business Manager automatically.